everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life. Today it's my cooking time and here in my small kitchen again. My recipe for today is Filipino sticky rice cake in a banana leaf and a sweet potato, which is kamote in Filipino.
What's this one?
Sticky rice cake in a banana leaf.
This is sticky rice. It's called suman.
Tagalog, it's
In
suman.
Tagalog, it's suman. Mmm. Wow. You should try it. Better try it.
So, this is my ingredients. The ingredient of my sticky rice is, of course, the sticky rice. This is about 1 kilo. And sugar, white sugar. And a fresh coconut. And I also put some ginger. And here's the banana leaf, also fresh. So here's my banana and I'm going to put in a fire just to make it heat and a bit shiny. And after that, I have to clean it up when I'm going to put my sticky rice. Just like this, it's shiny now. It's hot. You see the difference, the fresh and the one that you put in a fire. And it smells good. In Philippines, I love to do this also in a cassava. Make a cassava cake. But it's a lot of work for if you make a cassava. Because you grind it and then you have to take all of the juice. Then we have to clean up the banana or wipe it because there's too much dust on it. So it's time to cook now our sticky rice. I put 3 cups and 3/4 of coconut milk. This is fresh one. It's not much because I thought it's gonna be a lot, but not so. So only this, and I'm going to add the 3 cups of sticky rice. And 2 cups of sugar. Be sure it's not so sweet. And then a little bit of ginger, just to have a taste to a ginger. And now just to stir it, continuously stir it until it's no more liquid. Then it's ready for the wrap of the banana leaf. The sweet potato, I have to grind it here. This is a lot of work, but this is only my first try and I hope it's nice. So I have to grind it like this here. It took me maybe 30 minutes because this is only half a kilo. You see the result? Yeah, so this will be the sweet potato. Maybe this took me 10 minutes. So this is all I grated. It is about half a kilo only, just a trial because this is my first time. And then I have to take off the liquid because I have to add a coconut milk. And if I put the coconut milk, it will be very watery. And now it's almost done, and we have to throw the liquid, and I have to add the coconut milk and the sugar. So while the sticky rice was still hot, I have to start wrapping this sweet potato. This is not much because I only grind half a kilo, so this will be like 6 pieces or 8 pieces. And now it's the sticky rice. I have to wrap now the sticky rice, and this will be a little bit more than my sweet potato. So I'm done wrapping. This is all what I've wrapped. The sticky rice and the other one, the sweet potato. And then now I have to tie on it because if we put it in the steam, and then sometimes it opens, so I have to wrap it like this. So now I have to put in a steamer. First I put the sticky rice because the sticky rice is quite long to cook. Then the sweet potato. The sweet potato, I put it above the sticky rice. So this is ready now for the steam. We have to put it here in the steamer, and it took 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, I check it out and it is cooked now. So it's time for a test. Yes, so there he is. This is my friend. I share what I cook. But this is Filipino way of cooking. This is my kamote. Yeah, this is kamote or sweet potato.
Oh yeah, this is the sweet potato one. Okay. So this is the cassava one, yeah?
Potato, sweet potato.
Sweet potato, okay. So let me try it then. You need to blow a little bit, you know, because it's hot, huh?
So how was the taste?
Yeah. It's great. It's good. It's Filipino dish.
Filipino
I like it.
sweet
Delicacy.
delicacies
Yeah.
or dessert,
Dessert. Yeah.
or dessert.
Nice. And the other one. What's this one?
Sticky rice cake
Yeah.
in a banana leaf.
This is sticky rice. It's called suman.
In Tagalog, it's
In
suman.
Tagalog, it's suman. Mmm. Wow. You should try it. Better try this one. Mmm.
Thank you, I.
Perfect.
Thank you.
So we got our dessert now.
Okay, we have to eat our dessert now. I don't know which one I have to eat first. You also
I
have.
already opened too.
Thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you.